So I just made a video and I farted, but I don't think I'm gonna post it because I think somewhere down the road in life it's gonna backfire on me, and you know, that's gonna be my reputation, so I don't think I'm gonna post it. That was my cow interpretation. Want to hear my frog? He's over here trying to sleep. He's like, this bitch. This is the half asleep burping girl. But still awake because she's drinking caffeine. Oh, I gotta fart again. No. Clenching. Last time I clenched my butt cheeks really hard, I got a butt cheek cramp. And it was not good. Don't clench your butt cheeks, kids.